Hi everyone, today we're going to do a quick unboxing video of the Fanvil HT201 monaural headset. Let's open it and have a look. So inside we'll find a bag with our headset in it. Now, this headset's a monaural headset, which means that there is only one ear side to it. Let's look there. There we go. And that goes all the way down to the quick disconnect plug. We also have another baggie which has got our QD cable in it, which has got an RJ connection on one end and the QD on the other. And we've also got a quick installation guide. Now to get these things going, very, very simple. All you've got to do is take all your papers and plastic off, snap your QD cords together like so, plug it into your phone, put it on and you're ready to go. And that's the Fanvil HT201 monaural headset.